Real niggas is a dying breed, but I'm still maintaining. Made it out the hood, I still pop out on some gang shit. My day one niggas, them the niggas that.
Yo, alright, so what's good, y'all? We got another video coming at you with a little modification. This is the senior, and afterwards we'll be turning it to this right here, this clear case right here. Gonna be throwing a blade on there too. Just gonna get it the same as clipper. Just like a little modification I'd be doing to most of my clippers. You know, I throw like a little clear case on them, put a Tom 45 battery in there, change the blade, and after put a little picture up in there. But yeah, you can grab these stickers from Zoomies. That's where I got all my stickers from, mostly Zoomies or Amazon. You know, I'm gonna be turning this clipper to that clipper. So this is a sticker I'm gonna be using, and afterwards you wanna go to your local barber supply store and grab your clear case. I guess Matt's Gift Hands, you know, one of those clear cases. I'm gonna throw one of those gammas on there too. But yeah, you wanna grab those screws. You're gonna put them to the side. You know, it's just taking off any, you know, magic clippers. You're gonna have to push the little front piece up. But this part right here, this is the hardest part. Is just getting this piece, the plastic piece off, without breaking it. That's the very hardest part. So you're gonna choose what sticker you want. You know, you go in there, but you know, you have to find one that fits, you know, pretty good. You know, once you find the one you like and you think it fits pretty good, you know, make some adjustments, make some extra cuts, you know, cut it up. You know, this one I feel like I need to cut the bottom just because I feel like it's too long, and afterwards we'll start to mess with the switch and everything. So I decided to cut the little bottom piece off. Alright, so now that you have your image all cut up to your likings, and you know that it's gonna fit where you want it to go. So the cover has these pieces that are sticking, you know, the image. So you might have to break those pieces. You know, don't break, you know, the main pieces, but only break the ones I'm showing you right here. This is very important, so your cover can fit on pretty tightly, and afterwards it won't be loose and everything. Alright, so this is pretty much the finishing product. Once you get those pieces broken, it's just, you know, 3 little pieces that you're gonna have broken on the inner part of the case. But once you do that, throw the case back on there, put the screws back in, and afterwards, for my finishing touch, I'm just gonna throw the piece that I cut off on the side of the clipper. And this will pretty much be it. I'm gonna show you my finished results when I put the blade on there. But you know, if you made it through this part, like, comment, subscribe. You know, leave any comments in the video of what you would like to hear, like to see, or my next review or next how-to. Alright, y'all, so here's the finished product. We done swapped out the grip and put a gamma grip on there. Still haven't put the Tom 45 battery in there yet, but we will. And afterwards, we still have the well, we just swapped out the blade and put the fade blade on there, fusion blade. This blade right here is like, it's phenomenal. If you guys want to have like a little review on this clipper, you know, like and comment, subscribe, comment what other, you know, mods you guys want to see me do, or other mods you guys want me to show you. But yeah, these are my clippers. You know, if you guys like this video, please, you know, leave a like, and after comment what you guys other want to see.